welcome to this week's video. Today we're in Windermere in the Lake District, mainly due to severe infections due to my condition. I've been inundated with them for the last 12 weeks, which has made me obviously been bed bound, not been able to get out of bed, do anything through a plan. I'm hoping to do some long exposures looking over Lake Windermere and all the mountains in the background and that today. I mean, it's a beautiful day, blue skies and everything. I am hoping for a little bit of cloud, obviously get the dramatic effect and a bit of low-lying cloud over the mountains. So yeah, we'll talk more about that once I get there. We've just stopped to get somewhere to eat now. I'll be talking about the system that I use, which is Olympus OMD EM-1 Mk3, and the lenses that I use and stuff, and the way I go around. Obviously doing long exposures using a tripod whilst in a wheelchair, it is very difficult. We'll go through that into more detail later on in the video. So yeah, I will catch you next in a bit when I'm down by the lake and all set up. Hello, so welcome back. We're here now at the lake, just doing a couple of the live ND feature on the Olympus system. I will flip you around so you can see the back of my screen. There's the view. Just doing a feature which is on the Olympus systems. I'm going to turn around about 10 seconds before this guy's blowing up some stuff. I'm going to go a bit further around the lake, get the ND filters at the front, and hopefully get a 2 minute exposure. Looking for a few more clouds, but still a beautiful day. I hope you enjoy the picture. I'll put that up now and I will catch you further around the lake. So here at the lake, just a second, long exposure of two, looks like abandoned boat houses. I'll flip it around, see if you can see a doubt obviously there's a further way out. What's over there? Looks like it's come out a good picture. If it is, I'll put it up now. The view's not about where I'm at. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful there. Doing a couple of long exposures, get the mountains in the back. I don't know what the mountains are called. Inundated with seagulls. And yeah, so my setup is quite simple. OMD EM-1 Mk3 with the battery grey, 12-100 f4 IS lens, screw on polarizer and a 10 stop grass filter. I forgot my remote shutter, so I'm using the UI app, which there's the picture of the boat houses, beautiful autumnal colours behind, so I'm using that to do the long exposure. The tripod head I use is really good, it's just turn it like that. So just turn it one way to get it sideways. This one does up when it gets the horizon level. This one just turns it so you can see panorama. I'm just watching, as you can see on the app, as it turns. I'm seeing most of it. Then up and down. Trying to get the 1/3. Water, all the islands and that in the middle, then get the mountain in at the side, a mountain range, and also that. So I'm looking at about a 2 minute exposure. If it comes up well, I will put the picture on. finished the long exposures now, and I'll put all the pictures up that look decent. So it's only a quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. So please hit that notification bell and subscribe button if you do like what you see. And look out for more. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.